Hi, Dr. David Kulla here to talk about two most important ligaments when we're dealing with a hiatal hernia, where your stomach herniates up through your diaphragm, causing acid reflux and GERD. So if you have acid reflux, GERD, dysphagia, where you're regurgitating food, that's what GERD is, heartburn, difficulty getting a full breath in, nausea, bloating, you probably have a hernia, a hiatal hernia, where your stomach herniates through your diaphragm, okay? I did a video on the two most important muscles when dealing with a hiatal hernia. If you haven't seen that, check that video out. If you have any other questions regarding hiatal hernias, acid reflux, GERD, then please check my playlist out. I have over 150 videos just on hiatal hernia. I also have a patent on a device called the Reflux Shield, the only non-pharmaceutical, non-pill taking, at-home device, non-surgical as well, that you can use to get to the cause of the problem, which is the stomach hurting upwards, and it pulls it down. But this video is about the two most important ligaments involved with hiatal hernias. These ligaments are a little bit unique that I'm about to discuss with you because they don't go bone to bone like we would think, okay? The other interesting thing is they also don't have a lot of blood supply, so they're very difficult to heal when they are injured. So one of the ligaments I've already talked about, I've done a video on this and I really get in depth about this ligament. It's called the phrenoesophageal ligament or the phrenicoesophageal ligament or the esophageal membrane. And this ligament attaches your esophagus. It's got two leaflets, the upper leaflet and the lower. I should do it this way because the upper leaflet is thicker and stronger typically. And I've go into this in my other video. Please watch that playlist because I'm not going to go deep into the ligament here. And then the lower ligament, which is thinner. Okay. But the ligament holds the esophagus, which it's got some cartilage in it, right? So I guess you could call that bone, to the upper membrane of the diaphragm. Okay. So it's an untraditional ligament, so to speak, okay? But it allows the esophagus to raise and lower with your diaphragm. So that's the first ligament. And with the hiatal hernia maneuver, the osteopathic manipulative technique, which my product, my Reflux Shield, is based off of, that helps relax the phrenoesophageal ligament to pull the stomach down, okay? Now the second ligament, what is the second ligament? Now, by the way, guys, if you are getting any information, you're learning anything from this video, please subscribe. 4 videos out every week. We have over 1,000 videos now, broken up into playlists, all different parts of the body, not just hiatal hernias. If you really learned something from this video, please hit that thumbs up button. We appreciate all the comments, the subscribers, the likes. Really, thank you. Now, what's that last ligament? What's that second ligament? That's really important. Well, it connects to your spine, and then the other end of it connects to your stomach, which isn't a bone. So an organ to a bone, to the spine, okay? And that ligament is called the anterior longitudinal ligament. Now, that's why when you have a hiatal hernia, when you have acid reflux, GERD, that's why chiropractic is unique in treating it, because not only can we release the two muscles I've mentioned in another video, the two ligaments that we've mentioned in this video, but we can literally pull the stomach down below the diaphragm where it belongs, restore nerve flow to the diaphragm, to the psoas, align the pelvis, align the lumbar spine so that the psoas isn't tighter on one side or ligaments aren't tighter on one side. Not only alleviating acid reflux, GERD, and hiatal hernia symptoms and the hernia itself, but back pain and musculoskeletal imbalances. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Appreciate you.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.